Hello friends, welcome to EduTap and welcome to the MCQs that we are going to do for the upcoming National Pension System Trust examination, both for grade A and B examination, wherein data analytics is one of the important part. It is there in both the phase 1 and phase 2 examinations. So this is part 2 in that. So let's delve into the questions now. Now here comes a statement based question, and so here the statement says a retail company wants to develop a system that recommends personalized products to customers based on their purchase history and browsing behavior. Okay, now which type of analytics would be most suitable for this purpose? Now here the thing is, we don't know what we ओनली नो देयर पास्ट हिस्ट्री. अच्छा, वो फॉर एग्जाम्पल नेटफ्लिक्स है, उन्होंने कॉमेडी जेनर वाले बहुत सारे वीडियोस देख रहे थे. मीन दे आर लुकिंग वॉचिंग अदर वीडियोस एज वेल, बट द number of videos that they have watched, they were of comedy genre. So what we are doing is, okay, they like this, so based on those we are predicting that they might watch new videos or some other videos that are mostly from the comedy genre. So here in this case, when we talk about such thing, when we are trying to look at the future and we are trying to predict the future outcomes based on their past works, so that the most suitable analytics that can be used for that is your predictive analytics, because we are trying to predict based on their past data. We are analyzing the data, the patterns, trends, etc., and based on that we are trying to predict what they might watch. So here predictive analytics would be the best analytics to be used. Now coming to the next question, which of the following types of analytics involves the use of data and statistical models to provide actionable solutions and optimize decision making, thereby answering the question what should we do? तो ये हमने देखा है कि what is happening, रूट कॉज व्हाट इज द रीजन. उसके बाद हम लोग ट्राई कर रहे हैं व्हाट कैन बी डन. ओके, नाउ वो तो सब पहले वाले हैं. नाउ द मोस्ट एडवांस्ड और द मोस्ट कॉम्प्लेक्स और द मोस्ट वैल्यूएबल एनालिटिक्स वेयर व्हाट शुड वी डू, क्योंकि अभी तक जो फर्स्ट डिस्क्रिप्टिव, डायग्नोस्टिक्स हो या फिर प्रेडिक्टिव हो, यहाँ तक हम लोग सिर्फ प्रेडिक्ट, आई मीन कुछ फ्यूचर आउटकम्स, हम पास्ट वाला डाटा देख रहे हैं, एनालाइज कर रहे हैं. वी आर ट्राइंग टू एनालाइज एंड देन वी आर ट्राइंग टू प्रेडिक्ट फ्यूचर में क्या चाहिए हमें. ओके, इतना तक ही. नाउ वो जो व्हाट वी वांट वो चाहिए, तो वी हैव टू डू समथिंग. सो व्हाट शुड वी डू फॉर दैट, फॉर अचीविंग दोज प्रेडिक्शंस टू बी ट्रू, completely true. So there comes the prescriptive analytics. So यहाँ पे we'll use the data, statistical or computational, whatever models and techniques that we can, and that will help us to achieve what we want, and that will happen only by understanding what should we do. That answers, ये question हमें answer करेगा what should we do for getting the जो predictions हमने किया है, चाहिए outcomes हमें चाहिए, right? So here descriptive prescriptive analytics is the right type of analytics that should be used for this purpose. Moving on to our next question, which technique is used to simplify large data sets into key metrics or trends such as averages, totals or percentages in descriptive analytics? Each kind of analytics, as I have said earlier also, कई सारे tools and techniques use होते हैं हर step पे. Okay, now in this case when we talk about simplifying the large data sets into key metrics or trends, मतलब उसमें से हमें कुछ ही वो highlights चाहिए, like कुछ averages, कुछ totals या percentages like in descriptive analytics. In that case the best tool that can or technique that can be used is data summarization. Now data summary जब हम लोग करते हैं वहाँ पे summarizing we are doing, so we'll try to get those जो भी averages है या totals है या percentages है, that we try to look into, right? So here in this case data summarization is the correct answer. Moving on to our next question. Consider the following statements regarding diagnostic analytics. Diagnostic analytics focuses on identifying the reasons behind the past outcomes and understanding why trends or anomalies occurred. True, because here this is clearly saying हम लोग root cause find out कर रहे हैं. Okay, root क्या problem है. So this is very much true here. The main goal of diagnostic analysis is to identify the root causes, obviously solve problems and improve process and inform future decisions. Yes, this is also very much true. Okay, unlike descriptive analytics, which explains what is happening, diagnostic analytics aims forecast future outcomes based on the past data. No, diagnostic only हमें root cause बताता है. Okay, this is the reason. Okay, so not future always दो ही है, वो predictive analytics and prescriptive analytics. So this is very much false. So यहाँ पे only 1 and 2 are correct. So C is the correct answer. Now I'll give you a few statements. From that you have to understand the scenario situation and try to answer. Applied sort of question है कि कौन सा data analytics हम लोगों को यहाँ पे use करना है. Statement 1 says a company's sales team notices a significant decline in sales over the past quarter. Statement 2 बोल रहा है the team decides to analyze customer purchase history, website interactions and social media feedback to identify the root cause of the decline. Third statement, after analyzing the data, the team discovers that a change in the company's pricing strategy is the primary cause for the decline. Now, what type of analytics is being applied in this scenario? Now, पूरा उन्होंने बता दिया है क्या क्या किया है. Now, you have to tell me what is the analytics that has been used in achieving this. So simple, जहाँ पे भी root cause, reason, cause, कुछ भी primary cause whatever आता है, वो words आते हैं, तो simply it must be the diagnostic analytics only. So here D is the correct answer. Moving on to our next question, again an applied sort of question. An e-commerce company wants to forecast future sale trends. Forecast, only forecasting future sale trends and identify the likelihood, बिल्कुल keywords है ये सारे, likelihood of customers purchasing certain products together. Which type of analytics would the company use to achieve this goal? So obviously यहाँ पे उनको सिर्फ forecasting ही करना है future sale trends and likelihood of customers purchasing certain products, मतलब identifying those. Likelihood मतलब we are trying to only predict, हो सकता है. It's not that it will happen or it doesn't anywhere say that वो होने के लिए क्या कर रहे हैं. Okay, so here in that case predictions, forecasting, all these they fall under the predictive analytics. So here C is the correct answer. So moving on to our next question, consider the following statements regarding the types of predictive analytical models. तो उसमें क्या क्या tools use कर सकते हैं या फिर use होते हैं, all that. Decision trees are easy to understand and interpret, making them useful for making quick decisions based on variables like price and market capitalization. एक हर चीज़ उनको अलग अलग buckets में डालते हैं. So yes, उसकी वजह से वो जो analysis, जो understanding है बहुत easy हो जाता है. This is very much true. Neural networks mimic the human brain and are often used to predict outcomes on complex data relationships such as customer behavior where no clear formula exists. कि कस्टमर क्यों ऐसे बिहेव कर रहा है ऐसा कुछ पता नहीं चलता, बिकॉज इट ऑल हिज विम्स एंड ऑल दैट व्हेन इट कम्स टू परचेज एंड ऑल. सो यस, न्यूरल नेटवर्क्स ऐसे जो कॉम्प्लेक्स डाटा है जहाँ पे कुछ क्या बोलते क्वालिटेटिव वाला ज़्यादा रहता है, क्वांटिटेटिव डाटा से ज़्यादा डेफिनेटली यूज कर सकते हैं. रिग्रेशन मॉडल्स आर प्राइमरीली यूज टू आइडेंटिफाई कॉम्प्लेक्स नॉन लीनियर रिलेशनशिप्स इन डाटा एंड आर नॉट सुटेबल फॉर एक्सप्लेनिंग द इन्फ्लुएंस ऑफ की फैक्टर्स इन आउटकम्स. यहाँ पे सबसे ज़्यादा रिग्रेशन मॉडल्स, द मेन पर्पस ऑफ देम इज टू आइडेंटिफाई पैटर्न्स इन लार्ज डाटा सेट्स बट विथ लीनियर रिलेशनशिप्स. जनरली ये statistical analysis में use होता है to understand the key factors that influence the major outcomes. So here ये false है जो दिया है, so only 1 and 3 are correct here, that is A is the correct answer. So moving on to our next question, a company wants to develop a system that can analyze customer data and automatically improve its predictions about customer behavior over time. Okay, now what technique is being described in this scenario? See, when it comes to analyzing this data, predictions and all that, there one of the important tool that can be used ओके, इज द मशीन लर्निंग. कई बार हमें लगता है कि मशीन लर्निंग बिल्कुल एक अलग से यूज करते हैं. नो, दैट्स अ मिसकंसेप्शन. मशीन लर्निंग ऑलवेज इज पार्ट ऑफ द डाटा एनालिटिक्स ओनली. वो अलग सा कुछ व्हाट यू कैन से एक अलग सा पिलर, नॉट इवन पिलर आई शुड से, एक अलग सा सिस्टम नहीं है दैट वर्क्स इंडिपेंडेंटली. सिंपल. It is as part of the predictive analysis that can be used a lot, which encompasses various statistical techniques and all that, including machine learning. So here machine learning is the one that can be used under this scenario. So here B is the correct answer. Now coming to the again statement based question, consider the following statements regarding different types of data. क्योंकि डाटा भी तरह तरह का होता है. क्रॉस सेक्शनल डाटा, इट कैप्चर्स इन्फॉर्मेशन एट अ सिंगल पॉइंट ऑफ टाइम, मेकिंग इट यूजफुल फॉर अंडरस्टैंडिंग करंट कंडीशंस डिफरेंट सेक्शन से. दिस इज वेरी मच ट्रू. टाइम सीरीज डाटा कंसिस्ट ऑफ ऑब्जर्वेशंस कलेक्टेड मल्टीपल टाइम इंटरवल्स, एनेबलिंग ट्रेंड एनालिसिस एंड फोरकास्टिंग. कि फॉर ये बेस्ट यूज होता है टू अंडरस्टैंड द रेवेन्यू पार्ट और द सेल्स पार्ट ओवर ए पीरियड ऑफ टाइम. पूरे साल में जनवरी में इस तरह से, फेब में इस तरह से, मार्च में इस तरह से, अच्छा दिवाली के टाइम पे सबसे ज़्यादा सेल हुआ, या फिर समर्स में ये समर क्लोथिंग वाला सबसे ज़्यादा सेल हुआ. उस तरह से अंडरस्टैंडिंग ओवर द टाइम basis. So this is very much true. Panel data combines cross sectional and time series elements, both tracking the same subjects over time for deeper insights. So ये दोनों भी ये ले लेता है panel data. So this is also very much true. So here in this case all these are correct. So this D is the correct answer here. Moving on to our next question is, stock exchange processes millions of transactions per second to make trading decisions within microseconds. जो शेयर मार्केट में काम करते हैं स्टॉक्स में, ओनली दे विल अंडरस्टैंड दिस पेन. मतलब सेकेंड से भी कम, माइक्रो सेकेंड्स में दे हैव टू टेक डिसीजन. सो उससे कितना स्पीड होना चाहिए डाटा मूवमेंट का. सो व्हाट कैरेक्टरिस्टिक्स ऑफ डाटा, क्योंकि डाटा का भी कई सारे कैरेक्टरिस्टिक फीचर्स है, इज मोस्ट रेलेवेंट इन दिस सिनेरियो. सो ऑब्वियसली व्हेन वी टॉक अबाउट the speed at which the data has to travel, so speed, that is data velocity, comes into picture. So here C is the correct answer. Volume, huge volumes, जैसे कि social media platforms, best example Facebook जैसे, okay. And so different scenarios में different data के characteristics हमें देखने को मिलता है. And in this case when it comes to stock market etc, their data velocity is of most important. So here C is the correct answer. So hope you all have liked this session. Thank you very much once again. If you have any doubts you can reach out to us anytime. Thank you.